In front of me is Lenovo Tab P11, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So at first you need to locate and open your Play Store. And here, tap on More icon. Okay, so now it is relocated here, so you need to click on your profile picture and then go to My Apps and Games. And here under Updates, you'll be able to check all apps that can be updated. And all you need to do is to tap on Update icon right next to App icon. And let me stop it for a while, because you can also click on Update All, so all your apps can be updated at once. Just give them a sec. Here you will be able to observe the progress. Let us wait for some of them to provide details regarding updating. And here you've got the details, so it will be displayed for each of updated app. And this is it, that will be all. This is how you can update apps in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.